Hi guys, Brian from Goldfries here at Marvo's booth in Computex 2017, and in this clip I would like to introduce the Marvo Scoripon KG931 mechanical keyboard. The base of the keyboard is glossy and definitely a fingerprint magnet there. As for the keys, they are using the cross-type stem as you'd normally see in mechanical keyboards. At the back of the board, there's a micro USB connection, and this keyboard is supposedly to have backlights, of which unfortunately they are not powered here, so we can't get a good look at it. The KG931 is available in two sizes, which is the full size and the tenkeyless. Alright, so that's it from me here at Marvo's booth at Computex 2017, and I'll catch you in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.